This is a Vivo V30e smartphone. I have been using this mobile for more than a week as my primary device. You have already seen a lot of videos related to this mobile on this channel like unboxing, gaming review, battery drain test and charging test. Now in this video I am sharing my genuine opinion on the cameras. So if you are planning to buy this mobile for the photo and video category, then do watch this camera review and you will know everything about this. First, let's have a look at the camera specifications. On the back, the main one is a 50 megapixel with an aperture of f1.8. This camera has features like PDAF and OIS. The second camera is an 8 megapixel with an aperture f2.2. This is a 120-degree ultra-wide angle lens camera. On the front, it's a 50 megapixel camera with an aperture of f2.5. The beauty part is you get an autofocus option here. By using both cameras, front and back, you can record videos at a maximum of 4K 30 fps. First, let's have a look at the photos taken in daytime outdoor conditions. You can observe the text on the top that shows the magnification that these photos were taken. You can click photos starting from 0.6x and up to 10x. You can also observe the photo quality here. The colors are boosted too much to get pleasant for the eyes. Not only this, look at the clouds as well. In 0.6x, it is different when compared to 1x or 2x. The 10x photo is okay for to check the numbers or else big text. Actually, after clicking the 10x photo, the software takes some time to process the image and gives the best output it can. These all shots are taken in evening conditions. You can observe the sun rays as well. In every shot, check the clouds and sky. You see the major differences. Actually, 0.6x is the close photo to match my eyes with what they are seeing. Overall, the photos in daytime outdoor conditions are looking absolutely good on this mobile. Also, in the camera app, you can select the photos capturing mode. It's like a filter added to the photo that you are clicking. I clicked all these photos in natural mode. In the camera app, you get a lot of filter to add for every shot. I don't like these filters personally because I like the photos the way that they are. So if in case you are thinking that I'm going to share these all shots, no guys, I'm so sorry. These filters are personal choice and changes from person to person. You can change the aspect ratio in the camera app. Most of the social media platforms support these formats. Also, for all these shots, I turned on the HDR. Now let's have a look at the front-facing camera samples. The one thing that I liked in this mobile is you get the autofocusing option for the front-facing camera, which is not available in most of the mobiles. The daytime shots are looking nice, and if you turn on the filters, your skin is smoothened. Also, in every shot, I observed that the saturation is boosted too much. You can enable or disable the eye autofocusing by going into the settings. Also, you can do some more things like eye autofocus animation or selecting the eyes for continuous autofocusing. For front-facing camera also, you get a lot of options in Vivo Mobile. I think it's like without filters, there is no camera app in Vivo Mobile. Even though the front cameras don't have any flashlight, you can use the screen as a flash. But not only this, you can control the temperature as well, which is crazy. I will share those shots which were taken in nighttime condition. These features are not at all available even if you use the Pixel or Apple mobiles. This is a normal photo taken with the back camera to check the saturation and overall color balance. For me, this shot looks close to 80% natural, but the remaining is edited. The grass is not that much green in real time. The colors are boosted here. If you want to click the 50 megapixel photo, yes, you can click those shots as well. Right now you are seeing that. You won't see major differences in these two images, but yeah, you get some more details if you zoom the photo. Even the file size is close to 2 megabytes for normal photo and it's close to 7 megabytes for a 50 megapixel photo. It's like more than 100% of storage is occupied for a single photo. The panorama shot looks amazing. There is no question here. I think the panorama option is the least one used in almost all mobiles by the users. You can record dual videos at a time on this mobile And also while recording, you can click photos as well. This is the shot where I clicked during that video recording. These are the portrait mode photos. If the subject is close to camera, yes, the edge detection is good, but it's not 100%. You can observe the blur of the book on the right bottom side in the second photo. These are some more shots taken to check the clouds and sky color. There are so many options available for this mobile camera that most people won't use. This camera review is mainly focused on daytime and nighttime photos and videos which most people use. Let's have a look at the video. Hey guys, this is the video recording by using the back-facing camera at 4K 30 FPS. The audio you're listening is coming from the internal microphone. You can judge how the video quality as well as the stabilization. Right now I'm in 1x. If in case I want to zoom, I can zoom up to, it's going up to, right now we're at 8x. 10x, max 10x we can zoom. So the zooming is something different. Slowly you are coming. Also you can touch the plus or minus buttons on the screen. If in case you want to be zoomed fastly, you cannot do it. Also you can click the photos while recording the video, but you cannot shift from back to front or front to back. This is the video recording by using the front facing camera in 4K 30 fps, and you can shoot 1080p 30 fps or 4K 30 fps by using the front facing camera. Now you can judge how the video and audio quality looks like and hears like. So right now I'm walking, you can judge the stabilization, how it was. You can actually zoom, that is pretty cool thing. I didn't expected this. Up to 2x you can actually zoom while recording the video in front facing camera. This thing I didn't notice from most of the mobiles, even in great flagship mobiles also. So this is how the video quality looks like. Right now you are seeing the dual video mode. Surprisingly, you can actually shoot in 720p or 1080p, that too 27 fps by using this. 27 fps, it's not 24 or 30, 27 fps. So this is how it looks like. You can zoom actually if in case you want, and also you can press the camera shutter button as well to take this photo. This is a slow motion shot. The maximum FPS you can shoot in slow motion is 120, the two in 720p. Yes, there is no 1080p or 4K quality option. Also, you get the time-lapse mode in this one. You can record either in 720p or 1080p. Not only this, you can change the speed as well. It starts from 15x and up to 960x. And also, you get an auto option as well. You get some more options in this camera app like Ultra HD document scanner, Super Moon, Pro photo mode, micro movie, live photo, night mode, etc. These options are useful occasionally but not in every single day. One more option that is very useful if you are shooting outdoor vlogs, it's super steady mode. But the problem is it's only restricted to 1080p 30 fps. Here is the video taken with and without stabilization. Also, I checked the autofocusing speed as well. It's super fast. Now it's time to check the nighttime samples. These are the photos taken in nighttime condition, starting from 0.6x, then 1x and 2x and up to 10x. For me, 0.6x and 1x photos are looking sharp and good. The 10x photo captures a lot of noise and it is not at all matching with daytime 10x photo. You will get a super moon option in this mobile where you can click the moon. Technically, it's not clicking the exact moon, but it is optimizing the shot. These are the photos taken with front-facing camera in outdoor nighttime condition. It's a pitch dark condition. The light you are observing is directly coming from the screen of the mobile. Previously, I showed how you can actually change the temperature of the light for the front-facing camera. I mean screen flash. Even it is same for the back cameras, but there is a dedicated light is there. They are calling it as aura light. For me, it's like a very small ring light where you can adjust the temperatures as well. Now observe the video quality in nighttime conditions from front and back facing cameras. This is the video recording in 4K by using the front facing camera. I turned on the screen flash just now, so this is how. Also you can, if you want, you can change the temperature as well. This is a cool thing that I didn't seen in any of the flagship mobiles as well. So this is how the video and audio quality here and looks like. This is 2x, this is 1x. This is the video of 4K 30 fps by using the back facing camera. The main content here is I want to show this aura ring light. You can actually change the color temperature. Right now you can observe how it is looking. Now I'm going to changing the color temperature. Now it's completely white and some yellowish light is there. So this is how the video quality looks like in outdoor nighttime conditions. I'll shoot one plant here so that you'll understand much better. So it is completely in white. I'm going to change in the temperature of the aura light. See, now it changed. If you want, you can click on the automatic temperature as well. It adjusts automatically. So finally, here is the camera verdict of the Vivo V30e mobile. This mobile is performing great in daytime outdoor conditions. Not only there, but also in good lighting conditions as well. You get a lot of options in the Vivo camera app, which is a fun to use this application. When it comes to nighttime, the 0.6x and 1x photos looks good and sharp. The screen flash option is great for taking selfies, but it is only restricted to that. Apart from that, the night shots are not at all good. If in case you are capturing photos at nighttime conditions with good artificial lighting, yes, you click the good photos. But if you try to zoom the photo and check the quality, it's capturing a lot of noise when compared to daytime shot. So overall, whether this Vivo V30e smartphone is good for cameras, the answer is yes, it is good for daytime capturers. But for nighttime, it's not good when compared to daytime. If you want to know more details about this mobile apart from camera, I highly suggest to watch other videos that I already posted on this channel. Check the description box or else these videos to watch other content of this mobile. That's it for this video guys. If you think this video is helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and also subscribe to this channel for more tech and gadgets reviews. Thanks for watching up to now and supporting this channel.